When the time is right, the Lord will make it happen, and this was the perfect time for them. They met in the right time, right place, right moment, and when they are both mature enough to handle things. I have never seen Ate Crisette as happy as she is with Lance. You two bring out the best in each other, and it's evident that you are destined to be together.
Sa araw-araw, tanging ikaw ang palagi kong hinahangat. Laging tanaw sa'yo ang ilaw na nagsisilbi kong liwanag.
You know naman, in marriage, you are not marrying a perfect person. Di ka nagpakasal sa isang tao na perpekto, mabait, lahat na nasa kanya. You are marrying someone who is an imperfect person. Tao ang pinapakasalan ninyo. Ibig sabihin, may mga kahinaan, may mga kasalanan. You are not marrying a perfect person, but you are marrying a person who is trying their best. Who is trying their best to show their love for you.
Labis ang ngiti kapag ika'y kaharap. Ramdam ko ang pagmamahal giliw. Namumukot tanging ka't walang katulad. Ikaw lang ang para sa'kin.
Dear my Lance, I can't believe that we are finally getting married. Our love story might seem fast for some people, but I believe you came into my life just right in time. Who would have thought that a simple hello to chat could lead to a happily ever after? Last year, I went here to Philippines for a vacation after 7 long years of being away. Little did I know that God has another plan for me coming back here. He finally revealed to me the bond I've been waiting for my whole life. He gave me such a kind-hearted, God-fearing, thoughtful, hardworking, and responsible partner in life. You are my first and my last, and today I stand before God by marrying you to show that I will commit myself to you until our very last breath.
Sailan ako uuwi. Kaya naman dito ka sa piling ko. O dito ka lang, dito ka lang. Bumabagal ang ikot ng mundo kapag ika'y nariyan o aking tahanan. Ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. Dito ka lang, dito ka lang, dito ka lang, o aking tahanan.
Lance, Christine, lagi niyong tatandaan, gaya nga ng sinabi ko sa inyo, no? Walang aksidente sa Diyos, no? Walang aksidente sa Diyos. Maaring sa loob ng isang taon ay napagdesisyonan nyo na magpakasal, maaring may mga dahilan kayo, pero lagi niyong tatandaan, walang aksidente sa Diyos.
Like Christine, through the past year, we have faced obstacles that help us build a strong foundation of our relationship. Thank you for loving me unconditionally, even though we are in long distance. I promise to encourage you to pursue your dreams in life. I promise to keep the best version of ourselves despite of our weaknesses.
Lance and Christine, congratulations sa inyo. At masaya ako sa iyo, Lance, natupad mo na. Diba? Sabi ko sa iyo, dadating at dating yan sa buhay mo. Nabigla ako dyan eh. Kasi walang girlfriend. Sasabihin sa akin, kakasal na siya. Sabi ko, Lance, dadating. Sabi niya, paano ako mag-aasawa? Walang dadating yung panahon niya. Pag yan dumating, iyong-iyo na yan. Swerte mo, Christine, kay Lance. Napakabait at mabuting tao yan. napakabait na anak at sa kanyang pamilya.
My life will never be the same again. Now that I have you, everything just seems so right. Now that I have you, I'm alive. You are the song that I'll be singing my whole life through. I'm living in a brighter world now that
I promise to make you laugh even when many problems arise. I promise to never lose spark even when challenges arise. Our journey as a family begins today and excited to what future holds for us. Christine, you are the person given the God to me to be my soulmate and spend my life with. I chose you now, I chose you forever, and continue to choosing you. I love you.
Be merciful. Be at peace with Christ. No? Sabihin na lang natin, kahit maliit na bagay, huwag niyong itatago sa isa't isa. No? Minsan, doon nagsisimula sa mga maliliit na bagay. Doon pa lang, maliit pa lang, may konting spark pa lang. Pag-unahan nyo na, pag-usapan nyo na, bilang mag-asawa. No? At kung may nagawang di maganda, pagpasensyahan, unawain. No? Harapin bilang mag-asawa. Hindi bilang binata at dalaga.
For to love you whatever the future holds, in the good times or in the bad times, in the success or in failures. I promise to be faithful and loving wife. I promise to always support you and to make our family as our top priority next to God. And I promise to keep choosing you every day until we're old and gray. I love you, Lance, Kevin, Quinto, and I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you.
Dean and Lance, ang buhay mag-asawa hindi ganun ka-smooth, no? So sana, wish ko lang sa inyo, pag dumating yung mga struggles ninyo sa buhay ninyo, wag na wag ninyong kalimutan yung sinumpaan nyo kanina. So napaka-importante nun. Kasi kita ko naman, Dean, dos kay Lance mo, napakabait din nung mister mo, no? Sana, ika nga nila sinasabi nila, hindi yan kanin na pag napasok ka, iluluwa mo na lang. Panindigan nyo. Kasi talagang ka nga ni Father kanina, di ba? Yung tinatawag na destiny. So, congratulations sa inyong dalawa.
Dean and Lance. Kita-kita nyo naman, sakto yun kaninang inupuan nyo eh. Yun naman yung message eh. It is always and forever. Diba? So, sabi nila, walang forever. Patunayan nyo, meron. Again, congratulations and to your next journey. Well, of course, alam ko, successful kang couple na to. Nakikita ko na. Thank you and congratulations again.
Thank you, Christine, for loving my son. No? Talagang mabait si Kevin. Hindi sa anak ko siya, pero talagang I know Kevin will be a loving husband to you, no? So, siguro kahit sa online lang kayo nagkakausap, pero kayo ang tinadhana. It's all about destiny, sabi nga ni Michelle D, no? Talaga kayo ang inano ng Diyos. Nasa isa't isa. Oo. So, siguro message ko lang, may you continue to love each other, to grow with one another, and to laugh, no? Masaya dapat kayo lagi, no? And to continue to celebrate your marriage every year. Ibig sabihin, magtatagal lang pag-aasawa nyo. So I wish you all the happiness that life has to offer, and I'll give you my love, no, as a mother. Congratulations and best wishes.
I hope you will create memories, no? Memories that you will be forever grateful because you made it together as a couple.